How to draw arrows on chess.com mobile. First things first is pull up your preferred web browser from your device, and on your search bar just simply go to chess.com. Now once you're here, you just have to make sure that you are logged into your account by clicking on the gear icon right here. Now once you're fully logged in, go back to the gear icon, which is going to be the settings, and go to live chess. Now once you're here, all you have to do is to switch from live chess to the board and pieces. So it's actually located beside or below your profile icon right here. So you'll just have to make sure that you'll be redirected to board and pieces. And from here, for you to be able to draw and highlight any arrows that you want, make sure that this specific setting right here, the highlight moves, is enabled or activated. So that's it. That's how you draw arrows on chess.com using your mobile phone.